Hey everyone, what's up? On the Wellers channel today, I'll show you how to use Free Download Manager, or as it translates, a free download manager. So to do this, we go into Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then click on the Chrome Web Store. Here we need to type in Free Download Manager. There it is. We click Add to Chrome, then click Add. By the way, you can also download it directly to your computer. Oh, see, you can install it, but I'm not going to. So next, we'll need to enable it. Let's open Free Download Manager. It needs an update. Right, so we need, here's Chrome. So it doesn't work on Chrome, which means we need to download it separately. We click download and install it. Just a moment. Alright, let's open the installer file. By the way, you can download it through the Microsoft Store, which is probably more convenient. Alright, we click install just for me, click OK, then next, 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 and install. Okay. Come on. We click finish and then click open. And there it is, it's opened up for me. So overall, let's go ahead and click add download. And here we have, yes, the corresponding file. So for example, let's take WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp doesn't have an installer there, but any other installer, you can even grab one. We click copy link, yes, save. So basically we copy the link, click add download, paste the link here and click OK. Now we have the file name and we click download. There it is, and your file download will begin. That's how the download manager works, and that's all there is to it. This was Wellers with you. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.